Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Remitly app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you go down until you find this window of Remitly app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app, so please don't forget to